In front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy section. Now tap on Device Unlocking. Select Screen Lock at the top and pick one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or strong password. Click on the best one for you and create it. Then click Next at the bottom right corner. Repeat it to confirm it. And when you finished, hit OK, also at the bottom right corner. Last but not least, answer this question by choosing one of the available options. How do you prefer to show notifications details on the lock screen? Always show, show after unlock, or never show? Whatever you decided, when you're ready, hit done. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!